Good morning, students. We are going to discuss CSV files today. CSV is comma separated files. So today we are going to discuss CSV files. The learning objectives, that is, after going through this chapter, you will be able to define the CSV files and its uses. You can read and write into a CSV file. You can develop manipulation skills in Python. You can understand the basic file handling operations of CSV files, and you may be able to write the Python programs for CSV file handling. CSV files are nothing but comma separated files. A file format for data storage which looks like a text file. And the information is organized with one record in each line, and each of the field is separated by comma. Now see, the comma separated value files, the main characteristics are there are only one line for each record, and in that line all the fields are comma separated, and the space characters adjacent to commas are ignored. If you have given a space adjacent to commas, they are ignored. Fields with inbuilt commas are separated by double quotes character. So these are the basic characteristics of CSV file. Now if you want to read and write into CSV file, the file modes will be same as the text file, that is R, W and A. R is for read mode, W is for write mode, and A is for append mode. And again, open function is used to open the file, same just like text files and binary files. To create a writer object, we will use CSV writer method. To write objects, we will use write row method. And to read object, to read each of the row of the file, we will use csv.reader method. And after the file operation will be closed, the file has to be closed using the close function, just like the binary files and text files. Now see here, in this program we have used the reading and writing into a CSV file. You will see, first of all you have to import to get the file handling in CSV file. You have to import the CSV module. So I have written import CSV. The very first line is import CSV. Then we are writing into a file, so we have to open it first. So the file name I am using over here is aa.csv, and we are using it in write mode because we want to write into the file. Okay, now I am taking a file mode, file handle or file object, and inside it I am assigning the value of csv.writer. We are creating a writer object, and inside the writer methods bracket we are writing the file link object f. So after that, using that file writer object, I am writing just one row. So I am using the method write row, and the first row is creating over here user ID and beneficiary, the column headings. In the second line or second row of the file, I am writing the actual data value user ID 1 and beneficiary XYZ. And one more row has been created, user ID 2 and beneficiary PQR. And lastly, I am printing the records are written successfully, and I am closing the file. Now I want to read the CSV file. For this, again I have to open it, but this time in read mode. So I am using the open method, and this time in read mode we are opening the file. Now again I am creating one reader object, and here the syntax will be csv.reader method. Inside the reader method bracket we have to write the file link object f. or file handle if. And then since the reader object read one row at a time, that's why I have to use a for loop. So here in the for loop I'm writing for row in new file reader, and new file reader is the reader object name, and each time the one of the row is extracted from the file, and it will be kept in row variable, and I have to print that row. And after all the lines will be printed, if dot close is used to close the file. Here you may see in the output all the lines will be read. For example, the first line user ID beneficiary, the second line 1 comma xyz, and the third line 2 comma pqr. So this is reading and writing into a CSV file. So that is all for CSV files. CSV files are new in the concept of data file handling, and we will explore them much in next programming classes. Thank you very much for today.